In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the error address unreachable in Google Chrome. I will basically show you different ways to fix the error address unreachable from popping up in Google Chrome. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the search menu and just type in VPN. And VPN Settings should pop up. Now go ahead and open that. Now, if you see your VPN is turned on, I recommend turning it off. As you can see now, just click on that, and that will turn it off. And then just try to launch the page again. But if the problem still persists, all you have to do is go ahead, type in CMD, command prompt. Now go ahead, run as administrator. Then just go ahead, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Just make sure to type this correctly. As you can see now, when you finish, just go ahead and click on enter. And now just go ahead and type in netsh winsock reset. As you can see now, as I'm typing, just copy it and make sure to type in everything correctly. Now after you're done, just click enter. And after that, you should be good to go. Now just go ahead and close the window. And after that, the next step is to open up Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots located at the top right of the screen, scroll down, and then just open up Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, and now just go to the time range and change it to all time. Make sure cached images and files are checked up. The other ones are optional. Now just click on Delete Data, and that was how to fix error address and unreachable from popping in Google Chrome. As always, thank you for watching.